Every year, there's a new headline in the KDP space. Low content is dead, journals don't sell anymore, everyone missed the boat. And if you've been around long enough, you've probably heard this story every single year. So let me ask you something. If low content books were actually dead, why are simple logbooks, trackers, and notebooks still quietly selling every single day? So today we're going to be answering a question a lot of people are asking right now. Are low content books still worth it in 2026? And if you clicked on this video, you're in the right place, because here's the problem. Most people hear low content and immediately think of things like blank line notebooks, generic planners, basic journals with nothing unique, and then they assume the entire low content category doesn't work anymore. But that assumption is exactly why so many people miss what's actually happening. Low content books were never meant to be flashy. They were never meant to go viral. They were meant to fill boring practical gaps that trendy books ignore. And in this video, I'm going to show you why low content books still make sense in 2026, which types still work, and how to think about them the right way, especially if you want something evergreen that doesn't rely on trends. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, here's a low content niche worth thinking about. It's called the Food Allergy Logbook for Kids. We see total results here, 1,301. So not too competitive here. Niche score a 59. And then the Titans Pro analysis shows demand is a 5, opportunity is a 9. Now looking through the first page here, the book in the #1 ranking is currently ranked at 346,000. It's a food diary and symptom logbook. The next one right here, very similar type of book. I would say just a different cover, is ranking at currently 281,000. Book number 3 ranked at 351,000. And then another book right here, Food Diary and Symptom Log, 86,452 current ranking. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at this book, we can see in the description, there's a lot of things going on here, but overall 120 pages, 60 days worth of tracking, 6x9 inch, which is a typical size for a log book. And this book is priced at $9.99. So it just goes to show you that log books, low content books, can still be priced fairly high, and you can still make good royalties off of these books. Now, as with any typical logbook, it's mostly going to be a few pages that's duplicated over and over. And as we can see right here, here is a weekly page. So these 2 pages are going to be duplicated over and over. The length of the book, this is really all the work that's needed for this type of book. As you can see, very simple, just boxes, very little words. And then a picture here of what it looks like if it were to be filled in. And then even the beginning of the book where the book belongs to page, and a stool consistency chart. And yeah, very, very simple type of book. If we go back up here and looking at that ranking of 86,452, that is good for 30-day royalties estimated from Titans QuickView of anywhere from $200 to over $350 per month. And like I said, it's actually not that difficult to make this type of interior. You could easily find some inspiration from Creative Fabrica. I did a simple search for food allergy categorized by KDP interiors. And then there's actually a bunch here to go look from, and just a great resource here. So look at some of the designs for this type of interior. Like for example, if you found this one right here, you could easily download this, look at it, and make a very similar one to this. Now, I wouldn't just go ahead and upload this exact download onto KDP, and that's going to lead to a lot of issues. But you can use this as inspiration to create your own interior. Now, another low content niche that is still worth it in 2026 and beyond is this client appointment book. Now, total results 1,126, so not too competitive here. And niche score we see through the roof, 99. With the Titans Pro analysis, demand 7, opportunity a 9. Now looking through these books, you're going to see a lot of different publishers here. You're going to see these full-on publishers here that can actually print in better quality. And that's okay, because littered through the first page are going to be KDP books. So for example, right over here, we see this one right here ranked at 81,000. $1,000, just recently published. This is a hair appointment book, but still doing very well in the midst of all of these other books that are from bigger publishers. Now there's another one here ranked at 469,000, and another one right here, a client record book ranked at 123,000. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this hair appointment book. Now looking through the description, 120 pages overall. This one's sized at 8.5 by 11 inches, and you can see some of the things that's included, like password log, client contact pages, hourly breakdown, weekly reflection, year at a glance calendar. And so it's really hard to see what's in the interior. We only have the front cover right here. As you can see, this is just more the calendar portion of the appointment book. Now this book has the hardcover version, $15.99, as well as the paperback offering, $8.99. And looking at that bestsellers rank, 81,963. This is good for 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $100 to $200 per month. Now taking a look for these client appointment interiors on Creative Fabrica, I found a bunch here. And so once again, this is a great way to get some inspiration on your interiors and even to look at different niches, because I noticed right here, look at this lawn care client appointment book. So that's another niche that we could possibly look into. Barber shop client appointment book, another niche we could possibly look into. Salon, walking, hairstylist, marriage therapy, holistic therapy. So lots of different types of niches here that could be a great way to do extra research in finding even more niches. Now, the next low content niche that's still worth it in 2026 and beyond is going to be this trading journal logbook. Total results, not too much here, 453 with a niche score of 68. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And looking through the books on the first page, we have this one right here ranked at 42,000. And if we go to the next row, here's another one, 49,000, another one, 80,000, another one, 43,000, and another one, 213,000, and another one, 350,000. So you see a handful of books here selling very, very well for literally just a book with interiors made up of simple lines, boxes, and very little words. Now, if we take a look at this book, very yellow book, trading journal, stocks, forex, options, crypto. This is priced at $9.99 with a 4.5 rating. And so like I've told you before, for some reason or another, logbooks, you can tend to price them still a little bit higher, around $9.99, and still get away with it. Here are the details of the interior. Record name, ticker symbol, type, trade date. So basically just everything you would need to know with trading. Also included in this book, trading plan and a strategy, monthly profit loss tracker, grid pages, and overall 109 pages at 8.5 by 11 inches. Now looking at the sample, as you can see, very nice looking interior, but if you just look at it, it's just boxes and very little words. Trading strategies, just a bunch of lines. Trading profit goals, once again, just boxes here. A grid with lines, not very difficult, not very complicated. Just a little bit of time to put together the pages and to think about what you would want to include in this type of book. When we look at the bestsellers rank of 43,625, that is good for 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $400 to over $600 per month. Now, once again, you can go to Creative Fabrica and you can look for trading categorized by KDP interiors, and you can find a lot of interiors here that you could take a look at and that you could use as inspiration on your own interior. This is what I used to do when I first started creating logbooks, and this is still a feasible way to get started with KDP. Once again, just refrain from uploading the files that you download from Creative Fabrica. You always want to create your own custom interiors or find ones that you can modify, specifically Canva editable templates. Now, the next low content niche that's still worth it in 2026 and beyond is going to be the equipment maintenance logbook. Now, total results, not too much here, 683 with a niche score 56. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. Looking through these books now, a lot of these books are going to look very similar because they're all essentially going to be the same. This is a copycat type of niche. And so what is really going to sell is going to be the front cover. As you can see, this one right here ranked at 54,000, probably the best seller in this niche. The one right next to it is a different color, but essentially the same type of interior, ranked at 169,000. Then you have this one right here, I would say is a little worse on the cover here, ranked at 223,000. But just looking at the front covers, I can see that the interiors are literally quite the same. You have another book right here, a little different cover, ranked at 278,000. And then this book, essentially the same as this book, different color, ranked at 356,000. But once again, examples of books still selling, even though it's a copycat niche. If you work on the front cover, you can actually take away the sales from these other books. Now let's take a look at the bestseller in this niche. This one has 109 pages, and basically what you see right here on the front cover is the entirety of the book. Very little words and just a bunch of boxes right here. Now this book priced at $9.99. So once again, logbooks, you can price them at $9.99 and still get away with it. And looking at the description here, these are going to be what's included in the interior. Equipment name, manufacturer name, model number, item location, serial number, purchase date, so on and so forth. Now the next low content niche that's still worth it in 2026 and beyond is going to be the RV maintenance logbook. Total results, not too much, 265 with a niche score of 51. Titans Pro Analysis says demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And going through the first row, 126,000 BSR. We have one right here ranked at 44,000. And then looking through the second row, we have this RV maintenance logbook ranked at 182,000. This one right here, 5,943. Another one right here ranked at 55,000. Now let's take a look at this book titled RV Maintenance Logbook, RV Repair and Maintenance Checklist. And basically, if I hover over the interior, basically what the interior is. Now, there might be 1 or 2 pages duplicated over and over for the entirety of the book, but as you can see, most of it is right here. And then also in the description, you can see what this interior records. This book is priced at $7.99, so a little bit lower than that $9.99 price point. 6 by 9 inches, 120 pages. And let's take a look at the sample. So here's the owner information, vehicle information, insurance, more info. That's good. Essential checks, all of these categories, notes, secondary checks, and then inside checks, other maintenance, notes. There you go again. You just duplicate it. So literally 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. And then those 4 pages are going to be duplicated over and over again for 120 pages overall. So not a lot of work here for this type of book. And if we look at the bestsellers rank of 182,000, you can see for basically a no content, very low content type of book, 30-day royalties about $100 per month. And this book is going to sell year round. If we look here all time, you can see there is really no huge ups and downs here. Usually maintains a pretty nice line right here. So you know that this sells year round. You can depend on this because people need this. It doesn't depend on seasonality. And that's the reason why logbooks are really great and should be a staple of any publisher's bookshelf. Once again, you can take a look at Creative Fabrica, make a search for RV maintenance, categorized by KDP interiors. You're going to find these interiors here that you can take a look at and you can use as inspiration to create your own custom interior. I mean, here's one right here that actually looks pretty good. And taking a look at the interiors, basically the same interior as the book that we just looked at. You have your secondary checklist, inside checklist, and then your primary checklist, but it's just a different design. And that's really the name of the game with these log books. So here's the real takeaway. Low content books didn't disappear. They just stopped being obvious. They're not loud, flashy books that you see all over social media. They're the quiet ones that solve a specific problem and they keep selling year after year. Think like logbooks, trackers, and simple utility books. They aren't exciting, but they're dependable. And that's why we still see them as an essential part of any KDP portfolio, even going into 2026 and beyond. Now, if you're just getting started and you want help getting started the right way, I've put together my KDP royalty roadmap. It's in the description down below. It's free and it'll walk you through publishing low and medium content books step by step. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.